Pure vanilla extract, $35 for a 16-ounce bottle. I don't think so. Today we're going to learn how to make it ourselves using just 2 ingredients, and it's going to be way more delicious than anything you can buy in the store and a heck of a lot cheaper. Stay tuned to find out how. So you can get imitation vanilla extract in the store for super cheap, but it's not real ingredients. Who knows what it's made with, and it's just not that good. And there is no reason for us to settle when making it. It could not be easier. Stay to the end. I will tell you how to have a never-ending supply of vanilla. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Click the bell notification so that you don't miss anything. And if you get anything out of this, it really helps us out with a thumbs up. Guys, it could not be easier. All you need is some cheap vodka, your knife, a cutting board, some vanilla beans, and these I got off of Amazon. I got 10 for about $15. The vanilla beans come from either Madagascar or Tahiti, and then there are other places like Mexico, but Madagascar are supposed to be the best beans, and they come in grade A, grade B, or grade C. You want to get either grade A or grade B. I recommend for an extract, grade B is just fine. It's a little less expensive. They tend to be a little shorter and a little less moisture content, but that's going to be perfect for what we need. So just grade B, I'll link that below. Basic recipe is 8 ounces of vodka per 5 vanilla beans, and that's going to be single fold. So there is also double fold and triple fold. Double fold is just doubling the amount of vanilla beans. It's just going to be stronger, but for our purposes, single fold is just fine, and it's still a lot better than what you can get in the store. So 5 beans per 8 ounces. This is a 16-ounce bottle, and I got these off of Amazon. I will link that below also. I'm going to use 10 vanilla beans, and that's exactly what I bought off of Amazon. We're simply slicing the bean down the middle. We're prying it open, and we're taking the sharp end of our knife to kind of scrape the vanilla. And if they're super long, you can cut them in half. And we're just going to take them after they're cut, and we're going to put them into our bottle. And if you're just using an 8-ounce bottle, you probably will have to cut them in half. Doesn't make any difference. So then vodka, and again, the cheap stuff is just fine. And a lot of people, I like to use vodka because it is a very neutral tasting vanilla, and you can use it in a lot more things. And I don't use a whole lot of vanilla, but people love bourbon and rum also, and some people say Captain Morgan's spice rum is absolutely delicious. I've tried vanilla with rum, and it is good, but it is less versatile, I would say. And lid on and let that sit, and we're going to give it a good shake. And you can come by every day and give it a shake or so for the first week or whatever, just whenever you think about it. And I like to use these amber bottles because they are dark to keep out the UV lights, and things last a little longer, not break down. So that's all there is to it. You're just going to give it a shake every day or so when you think about it. Just going to keep it on a shelf. If mine's already in a dark bottle, you can keep it in a dark place if it's in a light bottle. And in about 6 weeks, it will be ready. So at the end of my 6 weeks, I'm just going to use this. I could remove the vanilla beans at that point and put them into a new bottle and make another batch, or I could remove, after 6 weeks, half of this into another bottle, use that, and then pour more vodka over top of my vanilla beans to have a never-ending supply. And just, you follow the same process, just give it a shake, and then by the time you're done using your other vanilla, hopefully it's been at least 6 weeks, but the longer the better. If it's 6 months, it'll take me a year to use this whole bottle, which is good. It just gets stronger over time. And another little tip is buy cute little vodka bottles from the liquor store or spice rum, whatever, and you can make the vanilla right in there. Get one of these cute little chalk labels or whatever kind of labels you want and write homemade vanilla. Maybe make a little raffia bow, and it's a very cute little gift, Christmas, whatever. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.